Hello YouTube audience, welcome back to my channel Active Riders, and this is your host Bimal. And by the way, today I am very late because I had to go to a ride with my RTR friends. We have a group, and from that group, we decided to go for a ride. And I'm super late actually. The meeting point was at 5:30, and right now it's around 5:45, 6. So I am really running late from the scheduled time, and they are waiting over there. They already reached actually. They are waiting from past half an hour. So I have to rush down, and I have to meet them. So basically it's really very good, uh, climate over in the morning, but it's summer basically in Bangalore also, and so heat. It's very hard, to do a ride after 10:30, 11 or 12, whatever, after noon basically, if I say, because the sun will be on the top, and it's really hard, very hard to ride at that point of time. But still, I have some of the other things for my audience. So basically I'm trying to get some of the other things scheduled in the pipeline, and very soon you all will be seeing that one. So without wasting any time, I'll be rushing to the place where they are, and I'll be meeting them, and I'll be going to the place. Basically, you would have read in the description the place name. Place name is Timmappa Betta. If I'm wrong pronouncing, do correct me, or I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong, but it's the place name. That's the place name, which is near Ramnagar, and I'll be putting the Google directions. It's not the exact Google directions, but it will drop you at least to the nearby location, and from there in that village you can check everyone, anyone basically, to go to that mountain place. It's a really good place, and even I am going first time, so let me experience and show how is the place, and then you all can decide whether you would like to go to that place or not. So finally, I met the member. So one is Sandesh, the other one is Sriyesh. So I'm meeting them first time. Before that, I had been to a ride with Amit and Pawan. If you have not checked that ride, there are two parts for that one, which is for Devdurga Hills. I'll be putting in the iCard and in the description below also, both the part. So just click on that one also. And I would request, if you guys are seeing my channel, and you all like to ride, then please see my Facebook page also. I'll be mentioning all my details over there, and very soon I'll be starting my Insta stories also, so you all will get an idea. So all the details I'll be mentioning below: Twitter account details, and Insta account, and my Facebook page account. So everything you can check, and anyone can join the ride. Basically, it's not only for RTR group or for Apache lovers, it is for entire riding community. route was really awesome. Unfortunately, my camera got switched off. The battery was, completely dead, so I could not change the battery in the midway of riding, because we didn't took any break. We just came to this spot destination. We thought we'll come here first and then we'll see if we need any break or what. But trust me guys, the place really looks awesome. You can see how the bike is standing over there. The place is really awesome. You have to come visit. But I think it would be very good if you come in a group. Basically it will be really fun to be in a group, and mostly in winter time. Summer will be a bad choice because I know it's getting heat up over here, 37 plus temperature. But so we are living now. It's been around 30 minutes we've been here at the top, and we tried, and now we are. So basically, do not try this alone. Please be with a group when you're doing these kind of things. It can be somewhere if anything goes wrong, at least your group is there for handling the things. So do this when you are in a group. And even I am going now. Time for me to climb down the hill too. So I'm climbing down the hill, but I know when you guys will watch this video, you guys will tell that it is not safe, it is really risky and all those things. Yes, I know it is a risky part, so I am telling you guys, when you are going, go with friends. It won't skid, the tires won't skid. It's just you need to put a right gear at the right time and balance with the brakes. That's it. So how you drive in a street, you have to be very careful over here also. But I just want to say that go with a group, so you can have good fun over there. It's a really lovely place, so you can have really good time, and winter season will be really good. You can spend hour over there, and it'll really be very enjoyable if you are in a group. Unfortunately we were just 4 members, so we could not stay for a longer time. We stayed over there for another half an hour and we just left from there. And I hope this is the right when the August seasons start, it is the right time you can go there basically. And you can explore this, and the village is really nice. I could not shoot more because my battery, I had only this last battery power, and that's it. So this video will be ending over here, and from here I'll be touching down the city, but I'm mentioning the all the details below, so do check the Google map and all those things if you would like to go there. Till then, bye bye, have a nice drive wherever you are going. Do whatever you want to do guys, be safe, ride safe, bye.